In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to temporarily deactivate an Instagram account. If you've ever found yourself needing a break from social media or just want to go offline for a while, this guide will walk you through the necessary steps to make that happen smoothly and efficiently. Let's begin by accessing Instagram through your favorite web browser, be it Chrome, Safari, or Edge. Type in instagram.com, and once the site loads up, proceed to log in using your existing username and password. It's as simple as that, and you're now in the Instagram universe. Now, the next step is to visit your own profile, and here's how you do it. Look towards the bottom right corner of your screen and click or tap on your profile icon. This will take you to your profile page where we will continue with the process. Now that you're on your profile, direct your attention to the Edit Profile option and tap on it. It's usually prominently displayed, making it easy to find even for beginners. As you navigate to the Edit Profile page, scroll down to the very bottom. This is where Instagram has tucked away the option you're looking for, temporarily deactivate my account. Depending on whether you're using a mobile device or a desktop, you'll find this option either under your bio section on mobile or near the bottom right of your screen on a desktop. Go ahead and click or tap on it to proceed. At this point, Instagram will prompt you with a question. They want to understand, why are you deactivating your account? You'll be presented with a drop-down list containing several reasons ranging from need a break to privacy concerns. Select the one that best applies to you, and this will lead you to the next step. To ensure the security of your decision, Instagram will ask you to re-enter your password. Type it in carefully to continue. You're almost done. For the final step, simply tap or click on Temporarily Deactivate Account. Instagram may ask you to confirm your decision once again. By doing so, you've successfully hidden your account. Don't worry, your profile, photos, and activities have not been deleted. They're just hidden from public view until you decide to log back in. And that's it! By following these steps, you can give yourself the digital detox you need, knowing that your Instagram account is safe and sound, ready for you whenever you choose to return. Whether for mental peace or just some time away, taking this step can be immensely beneficial. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to subscribe for more useful tips and tricks.